Hello students. In last lecture we have seen about divergence, after that gradient and curl of vectors. Now let us start with line integral of vector fields. Now first definition, in last we have seen the definition of gradient. Now if f is a differentiable function, then the gradient field of f is the field of gradient vectors. That is, gradient field is a field of gradient vectors. Del f is equal to del by f by del by xi. This is grad f is equal to del by f by del by xi plus del by f by del by yj plus del by f by del by zk. Another definition, if f is a vector field, then the flow line of f is a path rt such that dr by dt is equal to f of rt. That is, f yields the velocity field of the path rt. Now let us solve the example. Show that the path rt is equal to cos ti plus sin tj is a flow line of f of xy is equal to minus yi plus xj. Can you find others? Means what? We have to show this path is a flow line of this f. Means we have to show dr by dt is equal to f of rt. Now here, from this r of t, we will find out dr by dt, that is this left hand side. So dr by dt will be its derivative with respect to t, that is minus sin ti plus cos tj. Why? What will be f of rt? F of rt now means what? F of xy. Here we have to put rt, means from this, what is x? If we compare with xi plus yj, x is cos t, y is sin t. So we will put the values of x and y here. So y is sin t, so that will be minus sin ti plus x is cos t, so cos tj. So f of rt is minus sin ti plus cos tj. These both sides are equal. What we get? Dr by dt is f of rt. Means by this definition we can say this path is a flow line of this capital F. And another flow lines are rt is r cos t minus t naught r I plus r sin t minus t naught j for constant r and t naught. Then we get, for this equation we get dr by dt is f of rt. Hence rt represents what? Flow line of capital F. Next is definition of integral along f bar. Suppose f bar is mi plus nj plus pk. Suppose this is a vector field with components m, n and p. All these components are continuous along the curve C parameterized by r bar t. R is between a to b. Then the integral of f bar along C. Then the formula for it is integral of f along C is integral of f dot t ds is equal to integration of f into dr by ds into ds. We can write it as integral of f into dr. Okay, that is, again we can write it as this f dot dr can be written as f into r dr rt, f of rt dr by dt into dt. So this is what it gives. It gives integral of f. Okay, integral of f. So let us solve example. Remember this formula, integral of f along C is integral of f of rt dr by dt into dt. So let us solve example. Let C be the given, be a curve given by rt is equal to sin ti plus cos tj plus tk. T is between 0 to 2 pi, and let capital F is xi plus yj plus zk. Compute integral of f dot ds. So what is formula here? Here our formula is this, integration of f of rt dr by dt into dt. Okay, means we need to find f of rt and dr by dt. So first here this is rt. Okay, what will be f of rt? This is f. From this rt, x is sin t, y is cos t, z is t. So f of rt, we replace this x y z here for f of rt, xi plus yj plus zk. So that will be sin ti plus cos tj plus tk. And what is dr by dt? Is derivative with respect to t, that is cos ti minus sin tj plus k. Therefore, what will be f of rt into dr by dt? So f of rt into dr by dt, f of rt is this product and dr by dt is this. So dot product, sin t into cos t, sin t cos t minus sin t cos t, that will be 0, plus t into 1, that is t. So we get f of rt dr by dt is 1. Therefore, by formula, integration of f ds is integration from 0 to 2 pi f of rt dr by dt into dt. From this, f of rt dr by dt is t. We put this value here into dt. So after integration, it is what? T square by 2. After applying limits 0 to 2 pi, we get the answer 2 pi square. Okay. Next is a statement of theorem. If f of xyz is a differentiable real valued function, this function is differentiable and real valued, means its range set is set of real numbers, and C is a path joining points x0, y0, z0 to x1, y1, z1 given by r is equal to rt. Path joins these 2 points by r is equal to rt, t is between a to b. Then integral of grad f dot ds, del f dot ds over c is equal to f of x1, y1, z1 minus f of x0, y0, z0. Okay, this integration can be found by this formula. Next is a definition to finding the work done by a force. Suppose capital F denote a force. Then the work done by a force, capital F, is F1i plus F2j plus F3k in moving a particle along a smooth curve RT from t is equal to a to t is equal to b is W is equal to integration of f of rt dr by dt dt from a to b. Okay, this formula is same, integral over c. Okay, what is difference here? Here capital F is a force. So by this force f of rt dr by dt dt from which point? A to b. So limits, we will take limits a to b. It gives what? Work done by that force. Next example, find the work done by capital F is equal to y minus x square I plus z minus y square z plus x minus z square k over the curve RT is equal to ti plus t square j plus t cube k. T is between 0 to 1 from point 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. So we have to find out work done. For that, again capital F is given, RT is given. What is formula? Integration of f of rt dr by dt. So first we will find out f of rt. So f of rt means what? In this formula for f, we replace xyz by xyz of rt. So here coefficient of I is x, this is y, this is z. So we put that values here. Y minus x square means what? T square minus t square I plus z, that is t cube, minus y square t square square, that is t raised to 4j, plus x minus z square means t minus t cube square, that is t raised to 6 into k. This is f of rt. And dr by dt is its derivative with respect to t, that is I plus 2tj plus 3t square k. Next we will find out f of rt dot dr by dt, dot product of these two, f of rt dot dr by dt. What will be dot product? T square, this will be 0. Okay, 0 into 1, 0. Next t cube minus t raised to 4 into, so first it is written this complete f of rt here dot dr by dt. Okay, so coefficient of j, t cube minus t raised to 4 into 2t plus t minus t raised to 6 into 3t square. It gives this answer. So next we will use formula for work done. So what is formula? Work, and what are points from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. So what is formula? Work done is equal to integration of f of rt is here, f of rt dr by dt dt, and from point 0 to 1. We find out this value here into dt. After integration with respect to t and applying limits, we get answer as 29 upon 60. Okay. Next, definition of flow. So what is flow? Suppose that f represent a continuous velocity field of a fluid flowing through a region in a space. Okay, it is a velocity field, and RT T in between A to B is a smooth curve in the domain of F. Then the flow along the curve from T is equal to A to T is equal to B. Then the flow is represented by, flow can be calculated as integration of F dot T ds from A to B. Okay, so this integral capital F dot T into ds. Capital F, it is a velocity field and it is a continuous velocity field, and capital T is unit tangent vector. Then this product, it gives what? Integral. This integral will give flow integral. Okay. If the curve is closed, then the flow is called as a circulation around the curve. If the curve is closed, whatever curve is given, it is closed, then we call the flow is circulation around curve. Now let us solve example. Find the circulation of the field. Capital F is x minus yi plus xj around the circle r is equal to cos ti plus sin tj. T is between 0 to 2 pi. Now on the circle, what is capital F? On this circle, capital F is x minus yi plus xj. And what the x and y for circle are? X is cos t, we replace x by cos t, y by sin t. So x by cos t, y by sin t, x by cos t, like this. So from this we get F. Again, what is, we use this formula here because we want to find out flow. Okay. Again, what is dr by dt? R is given, from this we take its derivative with respect to t. So dr by dt will be minus sin ti plus cos tj. And then what will be f dot dr by dt? Dot product of these two, that will be minus sin t cos t plus sin square t plus cos square t. So this is 1, we get 1 minus sin t cos t. Therefore, what is circulation? Circulation, we calculate it by integration from t where is from 0 to 2 pi. So 0 to 2 pi f dot dr by dt into dt, that is integration 0 to 2 pi, and we know f dot dr by dt is 1 minus sin t cos t into dt. So here integration of 1 dt is t minus integration of sin t cos t with dt is 0 to 2 pi. How we calculate it? We know how to calculate integration of sin t cos t dt. How we calculate it? We know cos t is derivative of sin t, so let us put sin t is equal to t. Therefore cos t dt, therefore its derivative cos t dt will be what? Here will be same variable, so let us put, it is tt, we cannot take sin t is equal to t. Let us put sin t is equal to x, therefore its derivative cos t dt will be dx. Okay, therefore what this integration becomes? Sin t is x and cos t dt is dx, and we know its integration will be x square upon 2. But what is our x? X is sin t, so that will be sin square t upon 2. So its integration will be sin square t upon 2. So that is here integration, that is sin square t upon 2, and integration of 1 is integration of 1 dt is t, and after applying limit we get the answer as 2 pi. Next is definition of flux of F. What is given? Suppose capital F, f1 xyi plus f2 xyj is a continuous vector field defined in a domain D in R square. It is a continuous vector field. Okay, domain is D. C is a smooth closed curve in D. N is outward pointing normal to C. It is normal to C, which is outward pointing. Then the flux of F across C is flux. It is denoted by flux of F across C. It is calculated as integration of F dot N ds over C. Next theorem. Suppose capital F is f1i plus f2j, which is continuous vector field. Okay, capital F, f1i plus f2j is a continuous vector field, and let C is a smooth closed curve in domain of F. Then flux of F across C. flux of f across C can be calculated as integration over closed curve C. Okay, this symbol, it is closed, it means it is closed curve C. Integration over closed curve C of f1 dy minus f2 dx. Using this formula, we can calculate the flux of f across closed curve C. Now let us solve example of it. Find the flux of f is equal to x minus y I plus xj across the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 in the xy plane. So first of all, what we do? From this, the parameterization means capital F is given, but RT is not given here. So how to calculate it? Okay, what is given here? Capital F is x minus yi plus xj. We have to find out the flux of this f across the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1. So the parameterization we can write. Now RT is not given here. We will find out RT such that this equation should satisfy. So RT, we take RT is equal to cos Ti plus sin Tj. Why? Because here, if we take this, then what will be x? X is cos T, y is sin T. Then what will be x square plus y square? That will be 1, means we get this equation. Okay, so we'll write RT is cos Ti plus sin Tj, where T varies from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so from this, what will be F1? Okay, from this f is equal to x minus yi plus xj. From this, what will be f1 xy? F1 xy is x minus y, that is cos t minus sin t, and f2 xy is x, that is cos t. Okay, so what will be dy? Derivative of y, that is derivative of sin t cos t dt, and derivative of x will be derivative of cos t, that is minus sin t dt. And again, by formula, if f is equal to f1 dx plus f2 dy, then the formula is flux is equal to integration of f1 dy minus f2 dx over C, that is equal to integration of f1 dy. So what is our f1? F1 is cos t minus sin t, and what is dy? Cos t dt, minus f2 is cos t, dx is minus sin t dt. So it will be like, what is our f1? F1 is, so integration of f1 is cos t minus sin t dy, is cos t dt, minus f2, that is cos t, again dx is minus sin t dt. So it will be, after multiplication, cos square t minus sin t cos t plus cos t sin t dt. Okay, that is, we said this minus sin t cos t plus sin t cos t will get cancelled. Integration of 0 to 2 pi cos square t dt is equal to, we use the formula for cos 2 here, cos 2t here, that is cos 2t is 2 cos square t minus 1. So using that, we find its integration. Okay, and after applying limit, we get the answer as pi. So the flux of given capital F across the given circle is pi. Next example is, evaluate integration xy dx plus x plus y dy along the curve y is equal to x square from minus 1 1 to 2 4. So again, first we will find out curve, that is RT. So from this y is equal to x square, we put x as a t, RT is equal to ti, x as a t. If x is t, then what will be y? Y will be t square. So ti plus t square j. T varies from, t means x, and x varies from minus 1 to 2. So it is t minus 1 to 2. And what will be f of RT? F of RT will be, now here our x is t, y is t square. Okay, and function is, what is our function? F of xy is xy from this capital, means we consider it as, this is our capital F, so that will be what? xyi means multiplication of t and t square, that is t cube I, plus x plus y, that is t plus t square j. This is f of rt. And what will be dr by dt, its derivative with respect to t, that is I plus 2tj. Therefore, what will be f dot dr, f of rt dot dr by dt, that is dot product of these two, that will be t cube and t cube plus 2t into t plus t square. We get 3t cube plus 2t square. Now we have to, why we are finding these values? Because we have to find out this integral, and the formula to finding this integral is integration of f of rt dr by dt dt. So here we find out f of rt dr by dt. Okay. Therefore, integral of this given xy dx plus x plus y dy is equal to integration of f of rt dr by dt dt, which is equal to, this is value of f of rt dr by dt, 3t cube plus 2t square into dt with limits minus 1 to 2. Solving this integral, and after applying limits, we get the answer at 69 upon 4. So value of this integral is 69 upon 4. Okay students, so let's stop here. Thank you.